Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw WhatsApp notifications with Zoko into automation flows, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw WhatsApp notifications with Zoko into automation flows, start by logging into your Zoko account. Navigate to the dashboard where your automation tools are available. Locate the integrations section on the left-hand menu. Click on WhatsApp to access the settings for WhatsApp notifications. Ensure you have an active WhatsApp Business API account linked to Zoko. Next, click on Notifications to view your current notification settings. Here, you will find options to customize your message templates. Select the templates you wish to automate for withdrawal. Make sure to enable any triggers you want to activate these notifications. Now, go to the Automation section in the left-hand menu. Here, you can create a new automation flow by clicking on Add New Flow. Name your new automation for easy identification. Then, select the trigger condition for this flow, such as specific keywords or user actions. Choose the WhatsApp notification you previously customized. Connect this notification to the trigger you just set up. You can add conditions to tailor the automation further if needed. After confirming all details, click Save to store your automation flow. To test your automation, initiate the trigger condition yourself. Check to see if the appropriate WhatsApp notification is sent based on your setup. If everything works smoothly, your automation is successfully configured. For further adjustments, revisit the automation settings as needed. You can monitor the performance of your notifications in the Analytics section. Adjust your strategies based on user interactions for optimal results. With these steps, you can effectively manage WhatsApp notifications through Zoko automation flows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.